What you got, Sam?
Hot pot.
Hot pot?
Yeah.
Do you want Mama to hold it? What are you cooking? Oh, some nice cookie cutters. Wow, you've been cooking for a very long time. Oh, you scooped some up with your spoon? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Want Mama to get it off? Oh, if she can. There you go, buddy. Here's your spoon. Sam, are you cooking? Sam, can you say cook?
Cook.
Cook. Very good. Well, it looks delicious. I can't wait to eat some. Eat? Are you going to taste it? Taste? Yeah, put that in. A little gingerbread. Add to the mix. Let's see, what are we cooking? I see a teddy bear. A diamond. Those are always delicious. Choo-choo train. It's the gingerbread man again. Uh oh, he's off. Done cooking.